Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change a valve cover gasket on a 2008 Scion XB. It has a 2.4 liter engine and the valve covers gasket's seeping a little bit down here, as you can see. So we're going to take all this apart and replace the gasket. Okay, first we're going to remove this cover here. These two 10mm bolts right here. Okay, we have to disconnect all the coil wires. We'll just get all those disconnected. Just push in on the tabs here and pull back. Then we got 10mm bolts holding each coil in. Set those right there. Gotta get this wiring harness out of the way. This one as well. Okay, that don't have to be. Take and move those back out of the way. Pull our coils up. Gotta get a pair of, well, I say we gotta get a pair of pliers, but it don't look like it. Okay, I'll get something to remove those. There we go. That split on us a little bit. Now we can take loose all the 10mm bolts all the way around the valve cover. You want to remember where your long ones went. Like this one, long one goes on the corner here. Should come off with it. And there we go. We got the valve cover off. Oh yeah, that gasket is hard as a rock. Yeah, just pull your old gasket off. You also want to take these off. Man, they're brittle. Look at that. These seal your spark plug holes. A little difficult to get them out. Probably they've been in there 15 years. Okay. We want to clean the surface where the new gasket is going to go. I'll just take some brake clean, carburetor clean, whatever I've got at the time, and wipe all the way around. Make sure there's no dirt. And there you have it. Just line everything up. Just goes right down in the channel there. Okay, now we just put the cover back on. Make sure you don't get the gasket all out of whack when you set it back on there. Okay guys, some of you probably seen that before I noticed it. On this spark plug gasket, the old one was stuck down in there and didn't come off when I pulled the valve cover off. So when I put this on there and started snugging it down, it pushed the gasket into the spark plug chamber. So yep, lesson learned. Just make sure you don't do like me, and make sure when you take it off, all of your gaskets come off with it. That way you won't have to take it back apart like I did. And don't take a whole lot of torque on a valve cover gasket, guys. Just snug it down. Don't put all the torque on it. I know you want to get after it sometimes, but you really don't need it. And again, when you're retightening, start in the middle, work your way out. Nice and snug. Just one more time, just to be sure we got them all. Yep. Okay. Whew. Well, okay guys. We got everything back together. Valve cover gasket has been changed. It's a fairly simple job. Just take your time and everything should be fine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment anything you'd like to comment. Again, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.